Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I very much appreciate it. Today I am doing a Nadine West unboxing, and Nadine West is actually one of my favorite subscription services because I appreciate buying clothes that's a little bit more affordable while I may sacrifice on maybe not getting some of the higher end quality. I've been happy with everything that I've gotten from Nadine West, haven't had any quality issues, and I just like not shooting my entire wad on one box. If you're not familiar with what Nadine West is, it is a styling service where they send you a bag every 2 to 4 weeks or every month, something like that, and they send you anywhere from like 2 to 8 items. I don't know how they decide how many items that they send you, but it's more affordable items, so it's usually, I think they say from like $10 to $30, though I've seen anywhere up to $40 in some people's videos. There is a styling fee of $9.78, but really that's just the cost of shipping, and that does get applied to anything you purchase. If you are interested in trying Nadine West, then if you use my referral link below, then that styling fee gets waived for your first bag, so it is risk-free, and you also get a free pair of earrings, and I get a free pair of earrings, so that's awesome. I will say that Nadine West recently reached out to me and made me a VIP member, which was so exciting. So I get my styling fee waived and I get everything half price. So if I'm going like crazy on buying Nadine West, now you guys know why, because I can afford it now. Alright, so this is exciting. This is my first bag as a VIP member, so I'm excited to see the prices on things, and I'm just excited. Alright, so in here, I've got 2 bundles, it looks like. Yes, I have 2 bundles. So the first one, there you go. Let's just dive right into it, and I just feel softness. I think that's one of my favorite things about Nadine West is they coat all their clothes in butter. Just kidding. And just, it always seems like they're soft items. Okay, this first thing is very different. This appears to be a pair of pants. Kind of a loose, wide leg, fun, dressy, crazy pair of pants. So there you can see kind of the wide leg situation going on. So these I'm very interested to try. At first glance, I'm like, I don't like the pattern. I've never tried pants like this, but I don't know. I may end up loving this. So I'm very intrigued. So I can't wait to try those on. I haven't had much luck with Nadine West pants so far, but this may be the one. I've also specifically requested they don't send me leggings because I'm just not a big legging person, which I might change because it's January, which means my husband and I joined a gym. We are those people, but he's been working out for like a year now using kind of gym equipment that we have in a garage, but it's Planet Fitness. You know, for $10 a month we get to use other equipment, we get to go to free classes, stuff like that. I have no idea what I'm opening here. What on earth are you? So I am going to start needing some exercise clothes because I guess I'm going to start exercising. Okay guys, I think this is a poncho. Is that what we agree this is? This is a poncho. I am still here behind this, but here we go. I think it's just, you know, a nice burgundy poncho. Very different than anything I have. I don't know that I'm a big poncho person, but we shall give it a try. And then, I love stripes, so I'm always happy to see striped items. And this is a cold shoulder top. As you can see there, it looks like a 3/4 sleeve on it. And kind of a rounded hem there at the bottom. Looks kind of a flowy torso, which I like. This is by Heart and Hips. I of course forgot to tell you what everything was from. This is by, the poncho is Hippie Chick and the pants are Shosho. Okay, so that's the first bundles. So a lot of unique items. So far so good. Next up we have our second bundle. Alright, so this is like a sweater skirt. A thin sweater pencil skirt. So that'll be exciting. You know, this is by DNA Couture. This is a small. I think I need to, like, a recurring issue I have with Nadine West is they send a lot of like body hugging things on my bottom half, and I have more stuff there, and so I always find stuff are like too snug on the bottom half. So I really should probably bump up my size on skirts and dresses, but well, bodycon dresses, but we'll see how that fits. And then we have this mauve number here. This is by Hippie Chick, and it's got this ruffle here that goes from one side and down this zipper front. It's a long sleeve, kind of more of a slimmer waist than some of the other items. And again, my slits on the side, you can't see that. Okay, slits on the side, which I always enjoy. So I'm very intrigued by this. This is very feminine, almost probably more feminine than I usually go, but I'm interested in trying it. And then we have from Zenata Premium, we have a 3/4 sleeve baby blue bodycon dress. So this feels just like very cottony. We'll see how that fits. Now getting to the jewelry, let me go ahead and open this stuff up. Okay, first off we have this necklace just with this little bar on it, which I do like a nice bar necklace like that. So there's a good chance I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And then these are mine to keep because somebody used my referral link. I actually had 2 people. I'm actually supposed to have 2 sets of earrings in here, but there's not for some reason. But Lakin Hamilton and Nicole Campiani, thank you guys so much for signing up and using my referral link. I very, very much appreciate that. So these I get to keep without having to pay, and I didn't really show them to you, just kind of a hanging cubic zirconia earring. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this stuff on, which is actually my favorite part. Maybe unboxing is my favorite part. Or maybe all of it is my favorite part. Everything except looking at prices is my favorite. Which is why I open so many boxes, people. It's addicting. Alright, let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, I have 3 of the pieces on now. We'll start at the top with the poncho. The poncho is nice. I'm just not really a poncho person. It's just kind of a plain, it's got a pretty wide neck on it. I mean, if I wanted, I could wear it like off the shoulders. I don't think that's a thing for ponchos. I don't think. So you could kind of play around with the neckline if you wanted to go lower or just kind of loose around the top. I don't know. But I'm not a big poncho person, so this will not be a keeper for me. But I do have this mauve top, which is nice. I love the slits in the side. I love the feel of it. I like the V-neck. I like the zipper neckline. I always think that's a cute detail. Only thing is, it's just, I don't know that I'm completely sold on this ruffle here. I've never been a, oh, what's this? Oh, this is just more of the ruffle. Okay. I've never been a huge ruffle person. It's just, I'm more of a sleek classic style than a feminine ruffle. Just my personal style. But I don't know, I like it. It's a nice top. It feels nice. Fits really well. So, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence with it. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear opinions. And then we have the pants, and they fit well. They're like the highest waist pants I've ever put on. They go, my belly button's here, they still go like an inch above my belly button. Not complaining, I mean, it feels nice. So they fit really well. They're a bit long, and they're just, again, not kind of really my style. I just don't think I'd ever wear these other than if I chose to wear them to bed, because they are very comfortable. They're cute, they're comfortable, just not really my style. Alright, let's go to the next outfit. Okay guys, outfit 2. I would definitely not wear these together because they're both kind of black and white in different patterns. So I'm not put these together, but I'm trying to get through these outfits. So let's start with the top. I actually really like this top. I like the flowiness of it. I love the softness of it. I'm not a huge cold shoulder person, but I literally only have one other cold shoulder top, but I think I'll make an exception for this one because I really like it. I like the style of it. I think it's cute. I think it would look nice with some colored pants. So I think I'm going to keep this. The skirt is pretty snug as expected. It's very, very comfortable. I just don't think I would reach for it often enough because it is so snug back there and I'm a little self-conscious. So I don't think I'll be keeping the skirt, but the top's a winner. And I think the last thing, oh, jewelry. So, all right, jewelry, you guys can see the earrings here and the bar necklace. I really like this necklace. I definitely think I am going to keep the necklace. So that's another keeper for me, I think. Just a simple, cute little bar necklace. And all right, let's try the last dress on. Last up, we have this Bodycon dress. It is snug. I wouldn't want to size up in it though. I don't know if you can even size up with Nadine West. Just because I think it would end up getting a little bit too big on top, but it is quite snug on the rear. I also am not sure what I think of a baby blue dress. I think I like it, but I feel like there's a lot of baby blue going on, but maybe with a cardigan or some sort of jacket that would kind of offset the baby blueness that's happening. I like it. I like the dress a lot. I just think it's not the type of dress that I would wear out, comfortably wear out very often or wear to work or anything like that. So I just wouldn't get the use out of this that warrants keeping it, but it is a beautiful dress. I like it. All right, let's go over prices next. Okay, now it's time to go over the prices, and this time I'm not dreading them since I get half off, so I'm just excited. All right, first of all, we have it says black top, so I'm going to assume that's this. This is the penny top, and this is $7. I'm keeping this. Then we have the pink top called the Willetta, and this is $8. I don't think I'm going to keep it because I just don't think I'd wear it because I think I'm just not in love with this side ruffle here. Then we have the Audrey top, that is the poncho, and that is $10.50. I'm not going to keep it just because I don't think I'm a huge poncho person. Then we have the Geralda skirt, and this is $8.75. I said I wasn't going to keep it, but I'm actually reconsidering it because I know it's a bit snug on the bottom, but then it's like, well, I could definitely wear some long cardigans over it. So, okay, I'm keeping it. Then we have the Rana pants, and these are $10.75. I just don't think I'm ever going to wear them. The fit of them was great, but I just don't think I'd wear this pattern, and I don't even know where I'd wear this type of pant. The dress I'm wearing, this is the Denise dress, and it is $9.50. Great, great price, but I just, again, don't think I would reach for it. The earrings, these are listed as $7, but I think I get them for free for a referral. The necklace I'm wearing is $8, and I do really like that, so I am keeping it. Again, I gave you these prices at the 50% off rate, so thank you guys so much to Nadine West for upgrading me to VIP, and I had another successful bag, and I'm really excited about the pieces that I'm keeping. And apparently I already have another bag on the way, so hopefully there'll be another Nadine West video soon. Again, if you guys want to try and get free shipping on your first bag and free earrings, then use my referral code below. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.